Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. I'm back. But before we get started, click that notification bell for me and click the subscribe button if it's your first time here. Thank you for checking out my channel. Now, real quick, I want to talk about two postcard programs I am affiliated with. Let's start first with the Tycoon. Okay, you probably seen me talk about this one. You can check it out at the postcarddiva.com. The Tycoon, guys, pays $300 per sale. Okay, $300 per sale. It comes with 250 postcards and 250 leads. Okay, and it states that on this card. All right. Now, the company also offers what they call the 5 for Life. Every fifth sale, forever. Every fifth sale, after every fifth sale, the company's going to send you, you see it here, and it's on the back. They're going to send you, and there's my picture, I'm doing that for you as well. They're going to send you 500 postcards, 500 stamps, and 500 leads, okay, after every fifth sale. Plus, you get a personalized website with this program, okay? So, $300 is nothing to sneeze at per sale. So that's a nice commission, okay? Now, when you join me, I'm going to send you 400 leads because you're joining me. It comes with 250 leads and 250 postcards, okay? So that's going to give you, 650 leads to get you started, okay? That's the Tycoon, okay? So if you're interested in making money from home, mailing postcards, they're in color, as you can see, front and back. Also, when you join me, I'm going to put your picture on there. If you want it on there, that's optional, okay? That's just an extra bonus. You'll need to send me your picture once you join. Reach out to me and email it over to me, and I'll have it added to your MasterCard, okay? So you can make $300 per sale, okay? This program's been around since 2016, okay? Great program. Now, my new project, same company. This one's called the Cash Cow. Okay, this one pays out $100 per sale, but on 2 tiers. So you have a team now. It's not just you. Every time your team makes a sale, they make $100. You make $100. This one's $300 to get in. Okay, you're gonna send in 3 money orders with this one. You would send 100 to me in my name. 3 money orders, $100 in my name, money order, $100 money order in my sponsor's name, it's on the card, and then 100 to the company. You put all 3 of those money orders in an envelope. You need a copy of this, print out this copy, the front, and mail it into the company. They're gonna send you, with this program, you get 100 postcards, just like this one, okay? They're gonna send you 100. Okay, it doesn't come with a website, doesn't come with any leads. But because you're joining me as a bonus, I'm going to send you 200 leads to get you started. And of course, I'm going to share with you the printing company I use for both of these. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned, this one is $4.98 to get in. You'll need 2 money orders, one for $300, one for $198. Now, I highly recommend you mail your payments in priority, guys. That way you can have a tracking number to track it, because mail sometimes get lost. That's just mail, okay? The way you can track it. 2 great postcard programs. The Cash Cow was created last year sometime in 2019, but they're owned by the same company, okay? And I'm just an affiliate, just like you would be, promoting the program by using the cards. The cards drive people to the program. It explains the program. They both have an information 24-hour info line you can call, okay? But an easy, simple way, no bugging friends and family with this, with any programs that I do, but you don't have to worry about online. Just mail your cards, okay? And the system will do the rest, okay? So if you're interested in that, I'm going to put 2 links below. The Tycoon is the postcarddiva.com. The Cash Cow is easypostcardincome.com, okay? So go check them out. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to working with you in either one you so desire. Okay. Now, real quick, some more results. 3 envelopes from WTM. That's the name of the company. Okay, let me just show you so you know it matches up. WTM is the name of the company that created both of these programs. Okay, so I have here 3 envelopes from them. As you can see, the name right here. Okay, the seals aren't broken on these. Okay, so WTM. So more results that people are interested in making extra income from home, and they want something simple. So this is one of the simplest methods you can do, okay, in affiliate marketing, is mailing the postcards that's promoting the program. That's what this does. It drives people, okay, to look at the website, if you have a website, or just to read the information about it. And if it's something they're interested in, either they'll call you, or they'll just sometimes mail their payment in. Okay, they'll see it and just say, hey, you know, this sounds good, I'm joining. That happens all the time. So with that being said, I've got my scissors today, and we're going to check these out. I'm not sure. I'm sure one of them is the Tycoon, but at any rate, it's that company. So it's going to be either the Cash Cow or the Tycoon. All right, so let's check it out. Let's just do this. That way I don't rip anything. Okay? Because sometimes when I rip, I end up tearing stuff. So let's check this out. All right. Cash Cow. Very popular. People are really jumping on this. It's only $300 to get in. Okay? Dimitri. Yeah, I spoke to Dimitri. So let me show you this without. I want to cover up the information. But here we go. Let's do it this way. Okay, $100 to me. Welcome aboard, Dimitri. Okay, you'll be getting leads from me. Alrighty, if you haven't gotten them already. There you go. All right, Cash Cow, guys. So that's $100 for the Cash Cow. Next one. Let's see. All right, let's go check it out. Very simple, easy programs. No pressure, just mail. Let's see what's in here. Uh-oh. What happened here? Hang on. Oh, I think I put that in the wrong. Oh, that goes over here. Hang on, guys. I think I hit that one already. Second one. Yeah, that was the envelope for that one. Here we go. Okay, this one, Brian, for the Tycoon. Okay, welcome aboard, Brian. I'm going to cover up Brian's information to just show you guys and you can see the date on here. Okay, this was $300. See that? And they put a form in there that says the Tycoon, $300. So you have 100 there, and here's 300. That's $400 so far. Welcome aboard. Everybody joins me in the Tycoon, they get 400 leads. Okay. Next one, the last one up. Okay. This one, let's cut this side. Alrighty. Okay, this one, there's no letter in here, but it's $300, so I already know it's the Tycoon, so let me just cover it up. Hang on, so I don't show anyone's information. See that? $300, guys. That's the Tycoon, okay? So, 300, 300, and 100. $700. Okay? So you decide which one works for you, the Tycoon or the Cash Cow. You make $300 with this one, you make $100 with this one. This one comes with 250 leads and 250 postcards. This one comes with 100 postcards, and I'm going to throw in 200 leads. With this one, I'm going to throw in 400 leads, okay? So you decide which one. I'm going to put the link below for them. Pick one and get started. I look forward to working with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. And you guys be safe out there. See you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.